Hey y'all, it's Stacy. I have some really exciting news to share with you. I'm here at my kitchen table, and while most folks probably assume that the kitchen is the most important room in our house, for me, it's actually right here in the dining room. This table is where so much of life happens for us. We laugh, we cry, we celebrate, we learn manners, we do a whole host of things. So much of living happens right here at this table. Nearly 17 years ago, I purchased the domain southernbite.com as a creative outlet. I was gonna start a blog, gonna do some restaurant reviews, because I was a new dad and I was just looking for something to do. I never in my wildest dreams imagined what it could grow into. But as things grew and changed, I kept questioning why God had gifted me with this platform. What was I supposed to do with this? And it was in a conversation with a dear friend who told me, she said, Stacy, when we send our families out into the world every day, they have experiences, they learn things, they meet people, and they come home a little changed. And when you gather your family around the table every evening, you get a chance to find out who they became that day. And in that moment, I knew exactly what I needed to do with Southern Bite. Southern Bite needed to be about getting families back to the table. And in a world where we are consistently told that we should do this or we shouldn't do that, or we should use this ingredient or we shouldn't use that ingredient, I wanted to be the one that says you should do whatever you have to do to get food on the table. And if that means a packet of ranch dressing mix or a can of cream of chicken soup, you should do that. I built a business based on the food that exists on these plates, but I will be the first person to tell you at this table, the food is the least important thing. And so, after tons of requests and years of work and development, I'm excited to finally share my brand new cookbook with you. Supper Made Simple, 100 recipes to feed your family is just that. 100 recipes that are quick, easy, and approachable to help you put food on the table. Nearly every recipe in this book has a beautiful full-color photograph, and these recipes are solid. We recruited a team of recipe testers to go through every single recipe, and we tweaked and changed and retested until we got them perfect. Because if you're gonna spend money on this book, I want it to be the kitchen workhorse that you need it to be. You're gonna find sheet pan meals, one-pot meals, air fryer recipes, slow cooker recipes, things that just make cooking easy and approachable so that you can get food on the table and get your people around it. Supper Made Simple will be in stores November 3rd, 2026, but it is available for pre-order right now wherever books are sold.